In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to restrict and unrestrict someone on Facebook. Go to your Facebook and log into your Facebook account. Now, just go to their account whom you want to restrict. From their account, tap on this friends, tap on edit friend list. In here, select restricted and tap on save. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to restrict someone on Facebook. Now let's see how to unrestrict someone. Do the same thing for unrestrict. Go to Facebook and navigate to their profile. Tap on friends. Tap on edit friend list. Uncheck restricted. Tap on save. And the specific Facebook profile will be unrestricted. Thanks for watching.